At DaVita, we say we're a community first and a company second. It's not just a slogan, it's a responsibility. And in 2025, you brought that to life.
When I think about my patients in our community, and I kind of bring that back to the things that we do as a collective whole. And so we get a bunch of like-minded individuals here together and we do these service projects. And I think it really just drives home that we truly do care.
And it means a lot when you're able to help the community that you live in and work in.
So we're just making our communities healthier. And I just love that about DaVita. They give me an opportunity to do that every day.
There's always an opportunity to do a little bit more.
We're creating a village that stands for community first and company second. So getting the opportunity to serve our team and to bond with our team is just as important as the care we give to our patients.
Our teammates are the backbone of DaVita. They show up and they deliver care.
A society doesn't get built by bystanders, so giving back where we can and really getting involved with the community is so important on so many levels.
The impact that we make creates ripples.
When I think about community services, I think about all the core values, from accountability all the way to fun.
As we think about our we care values, I always think about empathy, just having an understanding there is needs.
Service excellence, for sure. To me, that is what DaVita is all about.
And we're starting 2026 off strong. Here at Village Wide, you support the same communities our patients and teammates call home. This is our trilogy of care in action. A tangible expression of our purpose.
Sometimes we can unplug and get overwhelmed with what's going on, but it just takes little things to add up to big things. So please sign up, contribute, and be involved in your communities.